Alright everyone, so I bought the jug here. So that's, remember it was like down here, less than 2 gallons, so I brought it up with this much. And remember, like just like the other 5 gallon, the one I just water in, that brew, I added one full ounce. Well, this thing's full. It's one full ounce, 30 mils. That's all the way to the top. So that's what I did, alright? So I'm gonna go ahead and water in on my saucer, Hydro Farm, some spill. So I gotta, you know, tilt this and fill that cup up and water each in. Alright everyone, so I'm gonna do that. And then see how much is left over once I'm done. Alright, and then we'll continue from there. Alright, let's do it.